Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Maria Paul and I am from Arid Agriculture University doing BS Environmental Sciences. Today, the topic of my presentation is on my book, which named as Diversity Among Animals. Acknowledgement. I would like to thank my supervisor and dedicate this small piece of work to my professor, Dr. Abdul Salam. Technology is just a tool for getting the kid to work together and motivate them. The teacher like you is most important. Here are the contents of my book. Characteristics of animals, criteria for animals classification, diversity in animals, invertebrates, vertebrates, chordates, superclass Ignatha, superclass Ganathostomata, social animals. Introduction. Animalia kingdom includes all the animals. The name Animalia is derived from Latin anima, means breath or soul. In traditional two-kingdom system, the multicellular animals were referred to broadly as metazoa to distinguish them from one-celled animals, the protozoa. Kingdom Animalia consists of all animals which are multicellular, diploid, eukaryotic, indigestive heterotrophs and developed from the two dissimilar haploid gametes which are a large egg and a smaller sperm. Characteristics of animals. Animals don't have a cell wall. Animals have nerves and muscle tissues. Complex animal bodies demand connective tissues made up of organic and inorganic materials that provide support and structure. Animals also characterized by epithelial tissues like the epidermis which functions in secretion and protection. The animal kingdom is divided into parazoa and eumetazoa which do not contain true specialized tissues. Here is the animal characteristic chart in which animals consist of reproduction, fecundation, types of embryo development, types of breathing, type of skins, etc. Classification of animals. Animals are classified into two classes, vertebrates and invertebrates. Vertebrates are warm-blooded, which are mammals and birds, and they are also cold-blooded, which are fish, reptiles, amphibians, etc. Whereas invertebrates having joints, legs, and without legs. For example, with jointed legs, with three of legs insects like ant and scorpion, whereas without legs are earthworms, fluke, leech, tapeworm, etc. On the basis of structure, animals are classified on the level of organization, which are acellular, cellular, on the type of tissues, organ level, and organ system. Types of animals are explained according to phylum. We have discussed phylum Porifera, phylum Cnidaria, phylum Arthropoda, phylum Annelid, Mollusca, Echinoderms, etc. For example, earthworm, jellyfish, snail, etc. Social animals. We have several institutions that offer opportunity for research in social sciences. Aristotle, the legendary Greek philosopher, said, "Man is by nature a social animal. An individual who is unsocial naturally and not accidentally is either beneath or notice or more than human." Benefits of humans. They provide protection, disease foraging, competition, reproduction, division of labor. Energy cost concerns how much energy the individual will have to put forth to perform the action. Animal right theory. One main argument for the protection and care of animals is strongly based around the concept of animal rights. This is based on the philosophical thinking which informs much of animal rights movement in modern society, and its main proponent is a man by the name Tom Regan. Regan argued that animals do have that what he calls inherent values which must be respected by mankind, although they may not possess self-identity and moral awareness of themselves. Conclusion. Usage is needed to benefit the human race. In today's world, one could split our country into two groups. One is those who are for animal right in very respect, and the other in those who are not. Those who are for animals' right are commonly labeled as vegans by people of the opposing viewpoint, and sometimes even by their own. Thank you very much.